Lickalix, organic and totally free from ice lollies, made with real whole fruit.
Hi guys, hello. Okay, so we've got chocolate ice lollies for you. So these are all the ingredients you need, and you can use any chocolate spread that you want. We've just gone for a dairy-free one. So mix all your ingredients together. Watch out, the chocolate spread can be a bit sticky. And it's simple as that, whiz it all together. Now, you're going to pour it into your moulds, try and leave about a 1 centimetre gap, and try not to be as messy as I am and spill it everywhere. So then you're going to put either foil or you can use cardboard to hold your sticks in place and try and get them straight. And pop them in the freezer. And that's as simple as that. They're perfect for your kids. These ones came out a bit messy, oops, but they're still delicious. Leave them in the freezer a little bit longer and be careful when you demold them not to have the water too warm. Enjoy, let us know how you get on. Did you like this video? Then follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss another video. See you soon!